countless hours and thousands of dollars of hard-earned money has lit up to this day. It's Dyno Day, baby. Everybody, welcome to Covert Garage. Thank you so much for joining me. I gotta say, y'all are looking sharp today. Probably more sharp than the Mustang. We do have a lot of cosmetic work to do, not in the so near future. We are doing the dyno well, the Mustang isn't fully prepped for this. I'm taking the Mustang up to Dallas today, 3 hours, no air conditioning, no radio, but it's gonna be a blast. I'm going camping, so we're taking up to Dallas, then I'm carpooling up to where we're going, which is very much not in Dallas. So we have camping stuff in the trunk of the Mustang. We have a tent, comforter, a whole bunch of tools for if I break down. Really all we're doing is adding more weight to the back. So when we have this possible, you know, high 200 to 300 wheel horsepower car on the dyno, we don't get that wheel spin that we're all afraid of. In all seriousness, I've been looking forward to this for so long, getting this thing on the dyno. This is what we've been building this for. See how much power we're gonna make. We're shooting for, I think, 260 wheel, because we do have factory gearing, which is 323, which is terrible. 260 wheel. I gotta say though, after the tuning yesterday, it's pretty great. We are gonna head up to Colvin Automotive, which is where I work. There's a link down in the description. If you need anything done to your car, it can be your Toyota Corolla or your Ferrari. They can do it there. Anything under the sun. There's a link in the description. Make sure to check them out. They can definitely get you taken care of. We've all seen the videos, I know, of cars on the dyno when the motor goes a little explodey. We're not gonna do that. I really hope we don't do that, because if we do, we're kind of stuck. So if I said I wasn't nervous, I'd be lying. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm ready to hear it on the dyno. It's going to be great as long as it doesn't go like that. After the tuning yesterday, she is running really healthy, really healthy. You ready? Go. Just got to make sure she's ready, you know. Just make sure she's ready. Colvin Automotive. We're on Sean's lunch hour, but he's gonna bear the sound with us. It's gonna be a community bursting of eardrum. Corey's car that we're in the car already. We are strapped down and a little bit nervous, but it's okay. Leave your guesses in the description. What do you think? I'm going 260 wheel. Corey's thinking almost 300. Tuner's thinking 280. Sean's thinking around 280. It's up to the numbers now. We'll see what happens. This is the first time I've ever dynoed anything that's mine, so if this car blows up, we're in serious trouble. I hope it doesn't. The highway runs last night in Mexico were great, so I think we are ready to go. Fingers crossed, boys. While we're at it though, just a little shameless plug. If you haven't already, go check out Covert Garage on the internet so you can get yourself a license plate cover, just like the one we have right here. Take your license plate. Also, it's easy to advertise. We're about to do the run up, make sure the car is centered on there, and it's time to get rolling. Getting to be that time. The car is centered on the dyno. We're just about ready for the first pull. Let's hope it goes well. Goodness! That was one number off. 281 and 287 torque. That beat my number. Tuners were like spot on what they thought. They were pretty dang close. RPM, which is very scary. 6,200. Sounds really good though, but that's where we're at. 281, 287. We really need gearing. And the interesting thing is, max. Your AFRs look good too. AFRs look good? Max power was at... Your AFR was right at 13. Or we'll go 13, 14. Yeah. That's where we want it. We're looking pretty good. That was so awesome, getting able to actually do the dyno pull, which I didn't even think I was gonna be able to do. That was crazy, and it was so much fun, nerve-wracking. It was awesome. Here's a look at some of the awesome cars that are here at Colvin. They can do your classics all the way to your new stuff and your exotic stuff. So if you need anything, you're in the Austin area or you're anywhere and you want to get it shipped here, they can do that. Link down in the description. Sound of this car will never get old. The more I hear it, the less I want to put mufflers on it, but I do like my neighbors to like me, and on long journeys it sucks. So exhaust cutouts, I think, for the win here. All right, will she start after the pulls? We built a motor! Woo! It actually might have worked. I'm so thankful and blessed, guys. I know it's only 280 horsepower, which is more than I was guessing. With the gearing we have in it, yeah, it's 323. When we get new gearing, we're gonna come back and see how much we can make. It's gonna be 300 to the wheels, no problem with new gearing. Also, we're only at 182 coolant, so nice. Here is the sheet with the numbers. So we made 281 horsepower at 5,600 RPM, 287 torque at 4,600 RPM, which is pretty much what we expected. Now, I think we're gonna stick around for the dyno on a Camaro SS 1LE. What that was, but the car spit something at me. It wasn't very nice. Wow, 414 wheel, 394 torque. All right, Camaro, okay. Now I do really have to go because we're going to Dallas and we're gonna get there at rush hour, which is gonna be kind of awkward because we have no AC. What's up, Adam? But we're gonna go ahead, we gotta get lunch and then a 3-hour road trip. That might be awkward. Though, but it's stupid. Well, after the dyno, she didn't make it to the beautiful Chick-fil-A Whataburger. I'm sorry, I'm cheating on you a little bit, but a chicken sandwich, it sounds pretty good. Chick-fil-A was good and all, but I'd reckon the real win of the day comes from Ross. We got a Ford auto shade for $4, and we got lights for the inside. Look at that. These were $7. So we're winning. We're loading up the Mustang for a 3-hour road trip to Dallas. No air conditioning, but it should be okay. It's gonna be hot. With the tune we have on the car, we can only run 93, which is, I mean, it's good for power. It's not so good for wallet because it's $3.80. So we're gonna fill it up, do a fuel economy run, see what we're getting. We have almost 900 miles on the new motor now. I'm thinking we can break the 20. I think we should be above 20. The old motor was 20, 22. If this one's worse, I'll be shocked. So we're gonna see what we can do. Hopefully this is the only time we have to fill up because I have a feeling it's gonna hurt a little bit. $12, 12 gallons and $46 later. It's almost cheaper to fill up the truck at this rate. We're full. Next stop, Buc-ee's. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not from Texas, you probably won't understand, but if you are from Texas, welcome to Buc-ee's. We're only here to get water because this car is severely dehydrated. Hydration is key when you're in Texas and it's 100 degrees and you don't have AC. We're working on that though. Only 2 more hours left. So 2 more hours of the heat and that alarm, and we'll be all good to go. I'll hopefully see y'all in Frisco. If I see y'all before, then something went wrong. I don't know if you can tell, but I am dripping sweat right now. It's been great. So the first thing that's getting fixed when we get back is AC. There's one leaky line. We found it. It's gonna be ordered. Should be ready when we get back from this trip, which it desperately needs because it's hot. And this car is black on black, black on black on black. But we've got like 20 minutes left, so we're almost there. Well, we made it to Frisco uneventfully, and then we made it to Arkansas, and then back. and then to school. It's been a little while. I apologize. I've been just a little bit busy. We are doing some more work on the car, which is running really well. We are pinning some things down, made some slight improvements that make a big difference. I'm excited to show you. For that, you're gonna have to stay tuned though, because that's coming in a video very soon. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the dyno. I'm so excited just thinking about it. I can't wait to gear the car soon and get it back. But until then, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you always keep it classy, and I'll catch y'all very soon.